C and D. So, in order to find the Cartesian product, we must write like this. Take first one with A, then one with B, then one with C, then one with D. Now, two with A. Concept is clear, Ritika? I'm asking you. Hello? Hello?
Fully, ma'am.
The concept is clear or not? May I proceed further?
I can't really hear you properly. Whatever you're trying to tell me.
अभी ढूंढना पड़ेगा. अभी काम कर रहे हैं. यहाँ देख लो कहाँ पर. यहाँ नीचे. Let we have two sets, A and B. That has the elements red and blue. That has the element BCS. Clear? Okay? Just activate your voice because I want continuous answers from you. Now red is connected with B. You can see over here. Then red is again connected with C. Then red is again connected with S. Now blue. Blue is connected with B. Blue is connected with C. Actually this concept is totally different. Okay? Now blue is connected with S. So all these, this is the Cartesian product. And in this way we find the Cartesian product. And it is represented by A cross B. Clear? You can see over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you got the concept of that. Clear? Now for example, we have two sets, two more sets. Let A is equal to A1, A2. Actually, this mathematics is in the 11th class, generally theoretical. This lesson is typical one in the class 11. Okay? Class 11 is totally different from class 10. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, A1, then B1, then A1 with B2. Okay? What is that? Then A1, A2, and B1, B2, B4. Pictorially, I can also explain to you. For example, there is a set A, A1 and A2. And there is a set B, A1, B2, B3, and B4. Firstly, I take A if we have to find the A cross B. That means A1, then B1. Then relation of A1 with B2. Then relation of A1 with B3. Then relation of A1 with B4. Okay? Then relation of A2 with B1. A2 with B2. All of them will separated with the commas. A2 with B3. Then A2 with B4. Okay? And this whole set is termed as Cartesian product. This is termed as Cartesian product. Okay? Anything?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Now, comes to the exercise. Wait a minute. Yeah. For example, we have question number 3. Okay? I'm going to explain
Okay,
you
ma'am.
that. This is question number 3. Now, G has 7 and 8. H has 5, 4 and 2. Now for example, if you have to find G cross H, that means Cartesian product of G and H. So listen, G comes earlier. So we in the order pairs, firstly we write 7, then 5, then 7, then 4, then 7, then 2. After that 8, then 5, then 8, 4, then 8, 2. And if we have to find H cross G, we now 5, 7, then 5, 8, then 4, 7. You can see the order is changed. 4, 8, then 2, 7, then 2, 8. Do you understand or not? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Concept is clear or not? So you can see that G cross H is not equal to H cross G. Okay?
Okay.
This is the Cartesian product. Understood?
Understood, ma'am.
Okay?
Will all the questions be easy like this?
Yeah. Um, one more question I'm going to take. Listen. I can question number 8. This is set A, this is set B. You have to write A cross B and also write B cross A right now in your notebook and send me the picture. Then I will explain you the question number 7. If you write by your own, then you understand properly. Just do it right now. Question number 8 in your notebook and send me on my WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, Hitika?
No, ma'am. Almost, ma'am. I'll send you in 2 minutes.
Okay. A cross B, 1 cross 3, 1 cross 4, 2 cross 3, 2 cross 4. Okay. 3 cross 1, 3 cross 2. Done, Hitika. You understand now. Now, Question number 7th, the same pattern. Now we have to prove this. Clear? Now we have the set A cross B intersection C. So firstly we solve the bracket. So B intersection C. Speak out what will I write over here. Intersection C. That is 5 and 6. What is the answer, Hitika? Tell me.
A null set, ma'am, with no intersection.
Null set. Now A cross B intersection C. That means A cross we have 1 comma 2 and cross null set. So if we make the order pair, that is 1 null set, then 2 null set. Finish. Okay. Hmm? Now it's a typical question. I can't imagine that it will be the answer because I haven't solved that. A cross C. Now firstly we find the ordered pairs and then we do the intersection. So A cross B, what is the answer? 1 comma 2 cross B, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it becomes 1 cross 1, then 1 and 2, then 1 and 3, then 1 and 4. After that 2 and 1, 2 and 2, then 2 and 3, and 2 and 4. Clear? Finish? Now I'm doing over here A cross C. So which is 1 and 2 cross C. That is 5 comma 6. So we have a set 1 comma 5, then 1 comma 6, then 1 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 6. Now when we do the intersection, is there any ordered pair which is common in both of them? No.
No, ma'am, no common.
No ordered pair. Okay.
Null set.
1 comma 5 it is not there, 2 comma 5 it is not there, so its answer is null set. So this is a typical case. I think I will wrong over here. It comes out to be null set. Okay,
Okay.
wait a little bit, wait a little bit. Yeah, this is simply we write null set over here. Whenever we have to cross multiply with them, listen, whenever we have to multiply with 2 into 0, it becomes what? 0. Null set means empty set, so its answer is 0. Null set. Okay, Hitika? Hmm? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, do you know what is the subset? I have told you. Okay, I will do with the example. This question. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Second part. Both the questions are typical. Now A cross C. Now you understand how will you find the Cartesian products? Please. Yeah. So it becomes 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, and 2 comma 6. Now if we find B cross D, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 cross D, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have the ordered pairs 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 7, 1 comma 8. Similarly 2 comma 5, it's better to write like this in order to observe the results. 2, 8, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. Then 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, and 4, 8. Clear, Ritika? Now you can see that 1, 5 is there. 1, 6 is also there. 2, 5 is also there. 2, 6 is also there. That means this whole set is contained in this set.
Yes.
So we can say that A cross C is subset of B cross D. Now you understand because this whole set is contained in B cross D. Okay? Hmm?
And
Now, for example, question number 6. This is also of same pattern, but the question is different here. Okay? Listen. It is given already. A cross B is equal to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y. And we have to find set A and set B. So listen. When we find the Cartesian product of A and B, A contains the element which comes first and B is the element which comes at the second place. Clear? Okay? Hmm? Now, for example, if I draw pictorially, this is A, this is B. Now, at the first place, this is A, so I will write over here A. At the second place, this is X. Now, A, so it is again A. It is Y, so I will write Y. Now B, the new term, so I write over here X, we have the same term. B, this is again, and this is Y. So the elements of set A are A comma B. Clear? An element of set B are X comma Y. It becomes easy to find.
that's it, ma'am.
Hmm?
That's the answer.
Answer is that.
Easy, ma'am.
Actually, this is the trick I have told you. How will you find? We have to find the set A, we have to find the set B. So all the elements which come at the first place, they belong to set A. All the elements which comes at the second place, they belong to set B. For example, one more question. Listen. For example, I have a Cartesian product. Wait. I have an idea. Hmm, Let it be this. Yeah, this one. Listen, Hatika. For example, we have this ordered pair. Okay, from here to here. For example, we have this ordered pair, and I say that it is A cross B, or I will say that it is P cross Q, and I ask you what are the elements of P and what are the elements of set Q. Okay, now how will you find? So P cross Q. So all the elements which comes at the first place they belong to set A P, and all the elements which comes at the second place they belong to set Q. Okay, so again I draw the pictures, just an arrow diagrams. So 1. So this is set P, this is set Q. So 1, so I write over here 1. Now 3, so I write over here 3. So now it is again 1, I have written 1. So now 4, so this is 4. Now 1, so I leave it. So 5, this is 5. Now 6, this is 6. Now there is another element 2, so I will write 2. Okay, then 2 again 2, and here 3, 4, 5, 6. So the elements in the set P are 1, comma 2, and elements in the set are 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you understand how will you find the elements from the
Yes,
Cartesian product? Okay? Hmm?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Sure? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am,
No
sure.
problem. No problem. So all the questions 6, 7th, 8th, these are finished. Okay, now there's one more example. For example, this one. X1, Y2, Z1. Okay, just do that also. X1, Y2, Z1. For example, this is a set R cross S. Now tell me elements of R and elements of S. Tell me. You tell me.
Elements of R are X, Y, and Z. And elements of S is 1, 2, and 1. 1, 2.
One, two. One, two. Only one, two. Now, Etika, clear. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I will take it later. Now, I think this third one, you can also again, you can solve it. You can solve it or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Just solve it and send me. I want to see.
Okay.
Send me. Waiting.
Can you
Hmm? Send me.
I do it by taking a proper way? Okay, just thank you.
Just do it. Very good, Hetika. I think you can do now. Okay?
Yes,
Now, Hetika, question number one. There's no need to explain anything. I'm just doing directly this question. Okay? Hmm?
okay, ma'am.
Now, see. Uh, there's a ordered pair is given over here, and we have to find the values of x and y. This question can be solved by simple mathematics. That is x y 3 plus 1, comma y minus 2 y 3. I think, have you read the matrices? No, 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 no. In the 11th, you have read matrices. Okay? In the later chapters. Now, we compare this with that and this with this. Easy?
Okay.
Clear? So, just solve it. You bring 1 over on the right hand side. So, x by 3, which is equal to 5 minus 3 by 3. That means value of the x is equal to 2 because it is cancelled. Okay. Now, you can solve for the value of y. Just solve it and tell me. Tell me, Hatika.
Pi minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3 into 3. So the 3 will get
Yeah,
cancelled.
Hatika, your voice is so low. Your voice is so low.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. So this is one. Okay, Hatika.
Okay.
So any type of question, there maybe you can solve it like that. Okay. Now the second question. Now it looks simple question, but it also has some trick and some relations which can be further utilized in competitive exams. Now it is given that set A has three elements, but it is not given. Clear? There are three elements in set A. In set B, we have the elements 3, 4, and 5. Now we have to frame A cross B. And they doesn't ask to write the ordered pair. They ask how many ordered pairs are formed. Clear? I can tell you the answer directly, but I am not going to tell you the answer directly. I will tell you with the help of an example. For example, there is a set A, let it be 1 and 2, and there's a set B, let it be A and B and C, for example. Now, if we have to find A cross B, now Hatika, what will I do? 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 1 comma C, then 2 comma A, 2 comma B, and 2 comma C. Now, can you count them? How many number of A cross B? How many ordered pairs they have?
6.
6. Okay. Now, if I don't know the elements, you can simply that cardinal number of A is what? 2, and cardinal number of B is what? 3. 1, 2, and this is 3. Clear? This is known as cardinal number. This is known as cardinal number. That, that means the elements present in a set. Elements present in a set is a cardinal number. Okay? Hmm?
Okay.
So, if we simply multiply 2 into 3, we again get the result. 2 3s are 6. So, there's a formula if set A has n elements and set B has n elements, then number of elements in A cross B is equal to n into m. This really, it is very important. Okay, clear? Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
here A has three elements and B also has three elements, 1, 2, and 3. So number of elements in A cross B, 3 cross 3, that is 9. Okay, I have to write, listen, set A has three elements. Okay, set B has, B is equal to 3, 4, and 5. So cardinal number of B is 3. So number of elements in A cross B. Three elements over here, three elements over here. 3 threes are 9. Three elements means the cardinal number of A is 3. Understood or not? Hmm?
Yes, yes.
No. Let, there's one more question. P. Let it be X, Y, Z, T. Now T. Let it be P, Q, R, S, T, U, for example. Now, how many elements are present in P cross T? What is the cardinal number of P?
And 4, ma'am.
Hmm?
4.
Speak loudly, Hatika.
Ma'am, can you hear me? 4.
4. Okay. And cardinal number of T?
6.
Hmm?
6, ma'am.
T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
6.
6. So, number of elements in P cross T, 4 into 6, that is 24.
24.
Now easy.
Yes, ma'am. Very easy,
Clear?
ma'am.
So, number of elements in Cartesian product, okay, of two sets is equal to cardinal number of P into cardinal number of T. Now clear or not?
Clear, ma'am. Very
Hmm?
clear.
Clear. Okay. Now first is done, second is done, third is done, fourth is done. Okay. Hmm. Finish. Sixth, seventh, eighth is done. Now question number 5. Question number 5.
5.
There's a set A minus 1 comma 1. We have to find A cross A cross A, I think. Yeah. Okay. Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Hatika, firstly find A cross A in your notebook. And I think you can find. Send to me.
I'm completed, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm completed.
Send to me. Send me the picture.
The minus 1. Minus 1.
You sent me the picture.
Okay, ma'am.
It looks easy, but it's not so. Okay, you have done minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Then 1 minus 1. Then 1, 1.
And did I do it right or wrong?
Listen. Firstly, start from this. Minus 1, then minus 1. This and this. Okay. Then this with that. Clear? Okay. Hmm? If you're not able to write, you can write in this way. Minus 1, 1, minus 1 and 1. So it becomes minus 1, minus 1. Then minus 1 and 1. Then 1, minus 1. Then 1 and 1. So there's a wrong. Okay. It is there. It is there. It is there. But here we also have minus 1 and 1. Okay. That's why I said that you have sent me wrong. Clear?
Oh,
Minus 1, minus
clear.
1, Okay, then minus 1 and 1, then 1 and minus 1, then 1 and 1. Okay, Hatika. Now this is A
Okay.
cross A. Now A cross A again. So cross minus 1 and 1. Now Hatika, be careful. Listen. I start from this minus 1 in all the ordered pairs. So it becomes minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Now minus 1, 1, minus 1. Clear? 1, minus 1, minus 1. Then 1, then 1, then minus 1. Okay? Now I will start with 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 1. Understood bit? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
1, minus 1, 1. So 1, 1 and 1. So this is your answer. Okay, Hatika? Hmm?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now, now there's one question for you. Let P is equal to 2 comma minus 2. Don't write directly. Find P cross P and send me. Write each step properly and don't see the previous question. Okay? Done? Etika done?
Almost, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am. I'll send you right now.
Sent me. Etika?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am. Did you get the
May I,
message?
may I give you some questions
Yes,
on
ma'am.
this topic for the homework? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I think now question number 9 and 10th is also left. Wait. A and B, the two sets. Cardinal number of A is 3, cardinal number of B is 2. Okay? Find A and B. You can find the A and B. I have to tell you. Okay?
Okay.
Hmm? So what is A? X,
X, Y,
Y, and
Z.
Z. And what is B? 1 and
One.
2. Clear?
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
No matter. Now here, A cross A has 9 elements, which are found minus 1 and 0 and 0 and 1. So what is the set A? Listen, minus 1, 0, okay, and 0 and 1. Clear? Now if we draw the pictorial diagram, so minus 1 we have, so write minus 1. Then 0, that is over here. Now again 0 we have. So this is 1. 1 we have over here. So remaining elements of A cross A, but it has 9 elements. 3 elements are must present in set A, because only then only we have 3 cross 3, that is 9. So the ordered pair, the elements which are present in set A is minus 1, 0 and 1, because it has 9 elements. So there must be 3 and 3. Okay, clear?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Listen, it's better to give you some more questions in order to do them as a practice. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, just wait. Okay, just please note it down because I have just bring them. Okay, please note it. Question number 1. If set A is equals to A, B and C, set B is equals to X, Y and Z. Okay, first one, find A cross B. Second one, find B cross A. Third one, find A cross A. Fourth one, B cross B. Can you find that? Ritika, can you find? Easy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now second one, if set A is 1, 2 and 3, you can term them as practice questions. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Set B is equals to 1 and 2. Set C is equals to 3, 5 and 7. Now you have to find A cross B union C, A cross B intersection C, then A union B, then cross C, then A cross B union A cross C, then A cross B. If homework is more, then tell me. I will not give you. Okay?
That's fine.
These are just practice questions where you can do them so that it makes your concept more clear. Okay?
Okay.
Now, if A cross B is equals to P, comma Q, P, comma R, M, comma Q, M, comma R. Find set A and set B. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now question number 4. If x plus 2, comma 4, which is equal to 5, comma 2x plus y. Find x and y. I think you can find them. Yeah,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can solve them. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If x plus 1, comma y minus 2, which is equal to 3, comma 1, find. X and Y. I explained you the pictorial diagram also. Yeah. Can you explain them with the help of pictorial diagram also for one question? Hmm?
How you want it?
Yeah. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 4. B is equals to 1, 2, 3. Find A cross B graphically. And this is also known as arrow diagram. What is known as?
Aerodynamic.
Okay, let it be. I will tell you in the next lecture. Let it be. Okay,
Okay.
just leave it. So I think these questions make gives you a lot of practice. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah. And one more question. If number of elements in A is equal to 3, number of elements in B is equal to 2, write number of elements, writing is so poor, in A cross B and B cross A. It's enough for the practice. Okay. Bye, Hatika. Next exercise I will take in the next lecture because it can't be started. Okay? Hmm?
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. Yes,
Because the
ma'am.
topics are totally different. This chapter is too tough for the class 11th. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
You just inform the teacher also that one more
Okay.
class is finished. On that day, you also inform that for the
Yes,
third
ma'am.
class.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Good night.
Okay. Good night, ma'am.